everybody, Edgar92106 here, and today welcome to another video. I'm going to show you my Sonic Boom theme for the 3DS. So this is how it looks like. So there's so that's Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, Amy, Sticks, and that's pretty much it. So here's some stuff here. So yeah, all you have to do is come here, change theme, and yeah, just to show you. Okay, so it's kind of like here. I already have Sonic Boom Shattered Crystal theme. Don't use a theme. It could be like black. You could use black, pink, yellow, blue, red, or whichever for your theme. So you have to go to the theme shop. Wow, this is loading so much. Okay, so there are characters, designs, and patterns, bestsellers. So here's all themes. So let's go to that one. Okay, this is gonna take a while. So I just fixed Sonic Boom. Finally. Okay, so here we go. Let's find some Sonic ones. Okay, so here they are. Shadow the Hedgehog theme, Amy Rose theme, Sonic the Hedgehog theme, and yeah, there's Pikmin, there's Pokemon, there's Smash Brothers, and there is a lot of random ones. Okay. I know there was an Omochao here. Oh, here's a Luigi, Yoshi, Peach, Mario, and I think there's an Omochao. I know there's an Omochao here. Omochao theme. Come on. So yeah. Man, I can't find the Omochao. Oh, here it is. Chao theme. Here's the Omochao, and here's the Sonic bundle, so you could buy all of them for only $5.99. Nope. Not getting that. So yeah, that is it. I just want to show you that. So yeah, yeah, thank you all for watching, and please like this video. And question of the day today is, which 3DS theme do you like? Is your favorite? Which 3DS theme is your favorite? It could be from Sonic or Mario or whichever. So yeah, tell me which 3DS theme is your favorite. So yeah, that is all. That is it for this video, and please like this video, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and see you all later.